Corvettes. We sell it unique, especially in classics. The 2003 Chevrolet Corvette 50th Anniversary Edition Coupe. Removable smoked top. Of course, LS1 power underneath the hood that is paired up with the 4-speed automatic. Transmission with overdrive on this particular car. A little over 29,000 miles is all. Of course, the anniversary red paint, shale leather interior. Nicely equipped as any of the more modern Corvettes are. This particular one, heads-up display, dual climate control, dual power seats. AC, of course, AC blows cold. And of course, power steering, power brakes. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, since you can see the underside of this car, the interior, engine bay, still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. I'm going to take you right there. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the 50th anniversary wheels, which are correct for this car. Of course, bucket seats, center console. This particular one also has selective ride, AM FM cassette, electronic dual climate control, as you can see. Driver's information center. You'll be able to see the top on, top off. In the still pictures, there's the RPO code sticker, so you can see the exact options on this car. And also remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. There's a center dump exhaust. And like I said, definitely take a look at the underside of this car. You'll see how clean it is, how nice a shape it is underneath there, as well as the interior engine bay. And those still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Click the link down below this video in the description. It's going to take you right there. Take a look up and down the driver's side. You can see the sides are really free of any real nicks, dings, or scratches. Yes, the car's been driven. You're going to have a few little touched up rock chips in the spots in the hood and stuff that you do see, but nothing real major. Just your typical little touch-ups from a car person that took care of their car, wanted to keep it looking good. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors, memory seating. There's your 50th anniversary floor mat still in the car. Of course, the shale leather interior. Let's go ahead and start this up. Let you hear it run. We'll check out the engine bay. Like I said, I did mention the heads-up display, which you're going to see there. There's your miles, a little over 29,345. Driver's information center, mentioned that earlier. Of course, the dual climate control. Dash, nice shape. Appears this car was stored indoors. One other thing I want to show you, make sure you could see, headlights are functioning. Once in a while the gears go bad in those, if you're familiar with these. Doesn't look like any real rips, tears, anything in the seating area. And it doesn't sound like any sort of obnoxious exhaust. Nothing over the top there, sounds pretty stock. All right, lastly, let's pop this hood, check out the engine bay, snoop around up there a little bit.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Start with the hood liner first. Does not look like this thing's been driven any sort of inclement weather. Very clean hood liner on it. There's that engine bay. 5.7 liter. LS1. Power steering, brakes, AC. Doesn't look like any sort of cold air intake, anything like that. Nice and stock underneath there. Of course, I did mention the headlights come up. And when I was talking about maybe a few little touch-up spots, I'm talking pretty minute. Up there, you kind of maybe see just a few of them, but overall, check out the reflection shine coming off that front end. And engine bay from the passenger side, even replaced the battery than AC Delco. Looks like they're nicely cared for. 03 Chevrolet Corvette. 50th anniversary edition, less than 30,000 miles. Automatic in it. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description. Going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call or email.